This is the assembly video for the 19-light Maria Theresa crystal chandelier. Begin by unpacking all parts onto a flat padded surface. Please make sure to turn off the power from the breaker to the room before beginning assembly. First, carefully unwrap the packaging from the arms. Then remove the screws from the top centerpiece as well as the glass bowl and plate. Do the same for the bottom centerpiece. Beginning with any arm, use the screws to join all the arms using both centerpieces. Afterwards, take the time to fully tighten all the screws before proceeding. Pull the wire emerging from the top of the main arm down through the top centerpiece, then back up through the loop to then run up the chain. Afterwards, cover the bottom of the centerpiece with the plate and glass bowl, using the decorative stopper and nut to fasten. Next, connect the wiring together at the base. Dividing each bundle of pairs, join all the L's of each arm into their own bundle, then the ends into their own bundles as well. Then, using the spare wires, connect one end to each bundle before capping and insulating them. Separate the other ends of the spare wires into the ones connecting to L's or N bundles and join them into two more bundles. Tuck these wires tightly together and cover with the plate and glass bowl, using the decorative stopper and nut to fasten. In this section, we will cover installing our canopies. Your package canopy might look different, but they are assembled in the same way. After identifying the canopy components, begin by removing the nut lock and cover from the crossbar. Mount the crossbar to your electrical box using the screws from your box. Then you may reattach the cover and nut lock, then hang the chain, but leave the nut lock at its lowest height for now. If the crossbar's pipe is preventing the crossbar from setting flush against the box, we recommend having the pipe cut to length before continuing with installation. After weaving your chandelier's wires up through the chain, thread them through the loop and central pipe into the canopy. Pull both the house wires and chandelier wires from the side of the cover to connect. Ground to ground, live to live, neutral to neutral. After the connections have been made, cover with plastic caps and electrical tape. Then tuck back inside the canopy and use the nut lock to lift the cover until it is flush against the ceiling. Now, following the included diagram, starting from letter A, attach every crystal to the frame, threading the pin through each hole or loop, then pinching it closed to secure. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your new crystal chandelier, courtesy of Lighting by Pecaso.